Hi everybody, my name is Selena. I am going to cook carne asada today. This is my new channel, Gringa Rican. Funny name, I know. Did it from my family. My husband is Puerto Rican, so I've taken plenty of time to learn his culture and his foods because of course we celebrate everything around food. So tonight we're going to do something a little different. He wanted tacos, soft tacos, so we're making carne asada. And we picked that stuff at our little local grocery store. It's already cut up and everything, so that's the good part. So today we're going to do it the way my husband likes it. It's not your traditional carne asada. It's adapted to my husband's adaptation in our seasonings that we enjoy. So of course you're going to need your soy sauce, vinegar. I use rice vinegar because I like that a lot better. Olive oil. And what dish do you know doesn't go without adobo? And as well as garlic. And traditional carne asada, you need jalapenos, cilantro, and onions. So in the Puerto Rican, we use sofrito. And this is made by me. It has everything except the jalapenos, but my family doesn't care for them to be too spicy. If they do, then of course you can add your jalapenos if you like. So first of all, once again, this is prepackaged Black Angus beef or carne picada. So it's already cut up for you and everything. Let's make everything up here. Apparently I got the wrong knife. So I have this big bowl. More meat in. Me, I'm a little OCD with my kitchen. I don't like having too much mess. So I have my little mini trash bags that I have. That's placed in the sink in case anything leaks out, and put my trash right in there. I got one child that's only going to eat probably the meat, so I got to double up meat. Okay. Alright, so of course sprinkle a little bit of olive oil because we're going to do a marinade. Soy sauce. Don't forget this is salty, so you don't want to put too much. Vinegar. Sprinkle a little adobo. We already got soy sauce, so it is a little bit, you don't need too much because you don't want to be too salty. Garlic, we love garlic, we can never have enough. I'll put 2 spoonfuls. And then I go in and put a couple of spoonfuls of my, and this is sofrito again. This is already got cilantro, green peppers, onions, and that's it. We don't do the jalapenos, and my husband doesn't like lime juice either. So this is why it's not a traditional carne asada. Alright, let me wash my hands real quick. Because I like to get in with my hands. It doesn't stir good with a spoon. So you got to really get into it. Sometimes you might need a little bit more. slowly. Get it nice and mixed up. You can smell it. My olive oil doesn't spit out too much, so I'm not really putting as much as it seems like in it. Okay, so here you have your carne asada. And what you do with this is I have a top that I put on it and let it sit in and marinate it for a couple of hours. Up to 4 or 24 hours, depending on how much you want to let it overnight. If I would have done smart, I would have done this last night and let it sit overnight and absorb all the good flavors. But my family at the last minute told me they wanted carne asada, and we get carne asada. So I got the piece of carne asada outside the refrigerator, and I put the heat on. I have medium high because I like to cook mine quick and fast. Of course, more olive oil. If you want to use vegetable oil, that's fine. Now I do small batches of my carne asada because if I do too much, then it sweats and then it gets too runny and juicy. So I do quite a few small batches. Yep, hear that sizzle. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh my god. I'm going to cook a little bit on each side before I start flipping it. I don't like going back and forth with different spoons. Alright. Now if you can see, it's starting to brown a little bit. Man, I can't believe they haven't invented smell-o-vision yet, because you guys need to smell this. And I'm turning my heat up a little bit because it still wasn't as hot as I like it. So this is a quick cook, so you just want to cook it, make sure it's done all the way, and you want to cook it till the pink is gone. I'm going to show you the stuff that I like to put on top of my carne asada. So it's cabbage. It's a big cabbage. It's only me. So I cut a little piece off. So this is just a little, probably not even a quarter of the cabbage. Onion, yellow, purple. I don't have purple, so I'll go ahead with the yellow. Garlic salt, mayonnaise, sour cream, vinegar, of course a bowl to stir it in. And if I had a lime, I definitely would use the lime. And I ran out of fresh cilantro because I just made my sofrito, so I don't have any fresh cilantro because I definitely put that in there too. All right, guys. So here I like mine long ways and thin. And if you have a food grater or something, you don't have to do it like this, but I don't feel like pulling mine out. So I just nice and thin, really shred. I like mine. Real thin. And I always make extra because I love this stuff. And then I have it, and then I cut it just in lengthwise, so it's not so big in your mouth. Alright, so I'm going to put this in my bowl. And then my onion. Now I keep the bottom intact so it's just a little bit easier to cut and slice. Okay, and my once again, just a little thin. If you have any red cabbage and red onions, it makes it look a lot prettier and festive. And give it a little stir. Okay, so this is all by measurement, is how you like it. It's all by taste. So I typically put two heaping spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Stir the sour cream. One good heaping spoonful of sour cream. A little bit of garlic salt. Splash of vinegar, 1 splash, 2 splash. And a little bit of sugar, just to give it that little bit of, and once again, flavor to taste. And then you stir it up. And I'll cut up a little bit more cabbage. I like extra. Oh, I forgot the pepper. I'm going to stir my carne asada real quick. Yeah, there we go. And of course, it's pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper. While your carne asada is cooking, you can go ahead and make this and just let it sit for a few minutes. Just to absorb all those good flavors. First, you're going to try it. Me, add more vinegar. And a little bit more sugar. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm getting ready to assemble my carne asada. We like flour tortillas. So what we do is I have it, our stove does by numbers, so it's like a 2.8. It's a low. I cleaned out my pan since it was still nice and hot, and I just let it set. We'll go up to 3. Just to get nice and soft, because you don't want a hard, cold tortilla shell. So I flip-flop it, make sure it doesn't get burned. Another hand rag. This is a little warm. Alright, so get it, and I crunch it up. Bring a little bit of carne asada. My family likes it meaty. Cut up an avocado, because I like avocados in mine too. And then a little bit of mix. And you'll see. Now you have a carne asada. And dinner is done. Now guys, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button below. Give me any compliments, any feedback, criticism. I accept it all. I don't get angry, I don't get sad. Or if you have something you want me to try to cook, go ahead and send me a message and I'll go ahead and research it and cook that as well. Hope you enjoyed the video and you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy your dinner.